Hi guys, this is what I call the speedrun of Shotgun. This isn't as many skills as I expected, so guys, hope you like the speedrun. Here it is, sped up a bit, not loads though. I die a bit, just having a little mess around. This is how I learned how to use this shotgun. Happening. This is an actual online game, guys. If you want me to upload non-online games like in custom games, just give an idea and I'll do that. Sniper, pesky snipers, douche. You'll never learn. Stay grenade. No, not taking it. Hey. Ooh, mama. Pa.
Hostile UAV above.
Reload. Push. Yes. First, I leveled up, guys. Right, this is one of my favorite weapons. Oh, how did you get there? So guys, I'm just gonna be quiet for this. It's a speed run. I may change the things up a bit, so yeah. Hope you like the speed run.
Counter UAV inbound. Friendly UAV inbound.
Tango down.
He got me there, guys. Of one kill. Fail.
UAV inbound.
Yes, I think I got the last kill, guys, but it doesn't matter, so goodbye. Hope you like this speed up. Bye, guys.